Hi, welcome back to Brass Hall. This is Bartender Sessions. I'm Eric. It's been getting pretty popular here, so we want to do something more popular drink-wise. We're going to be making a liquid marijuana. We've got spiced rum, using Captain Morgan's, but any spiced rum will do, and then some liqueurs, Melon and blue Curaçao. If you notice, there's some very bright colors. Gives you a very distinct color when you finish the drink. I'll show that off for you. Start with a little ice. And we're going to measure out ½ ounce of our Captain, ½ ounce of the blue Q, and a ½ ounce of the Melon, and a little bit of pineapple juice. And if you can smell what I'm smelling right here, you'll understand why they call it liquid marijuana. But there's another reason. That color right there. Isn't that gorgeous? But typically, this is served as a shot, in which case it winds up looking a little something like this. Delicious, huh? But a lot of people have been ordering this as a drink. So what I do there, keep the ice, add the liquor, and top with a little bit of Sprite. And there you have it. 2 ways to enjoy liquid marijuana at Brass Hall.